Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Life application step by step. So first of all, we will see how you can download and install the application. So the application is available on both Google Play Store or App Store. So based on your device, you just have to simply use the search bar here on the top, and then you just have to search for Smart Life application. When you're able to find the application, simply tap on the option of download, and you need to simply download and install it on your device. Now, when you open the application for the very first time, you need to use your email address, your phone number, or other sign-in options in order to basically sign in into your account. Now, when you sign in into your account, you need to also allow Bluetooth, location, and the local network permissions because the application need these during the device setup. So now the second thing that you need to do is to simply power on your smart device. Most of the smart life devices enter pairing mode when you hold the power button or reset for about 5 to 10 seconds until the indicator starts blinking repeatedly. So once you have done that on the device physically, you just have to open your smart life application just like so. Now here on the home page itself, you will see the add now button, or you can also tap on the option of this plus icon on the top right hand corner, and then you can tap on the option of add device. Now over here you need to choose the device category, select your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, and then you just have to simply enter the Wi-Fi password. Now wait for a while, the application searches for and connects the device automatically. Now once the device is connected successfully, it will be shown over here on the home page. So when it is basically connected, you can turn the device on and off, you can create the schedules, you can set the timers, and even adjust the brightness. So that's how basically you can use the Smart Life application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.